Cloudinary's image and video transformation and management features can really enhance your media workflows. In this video, I'll guide you through installing and configuring Cloudinary's Go SDK so you can make the most of these powerful features. To install the Cloudinary Go SDK, make sure you're in the directory where you initialized your Go module using gomod init, and enter the go get command to get the Cloudinary Go library from GitHub. Inside your Go project, you'll need to configure Cloudinary by creating a Cloudinary instance. First, import the Cloudinary library from GitHub, and then create your Cloudinary instance using the cloudinary.new function. Store this instance in a variable called CLD and add error handling. You'll also need to import your Cloudinary credentials into your main Go file to use them in your Cloudinary instance. To keep your credentials secure, store your sensitive data in a .env file and use the go.env library to load those credentials into your Go file. First, install the library with the following go get command specifying the go.env library from GitHub. Then, import the go.env library into your code. Finally, use go.env's load function to load your credentials. Next, retrieve your credentials from Cloudinary and paste them into the .env file. From your Cloudinary dashboard, click the Go to API Keys button to navigate to the API Keys page in the console settings. There you'll find your credentials. Use the environment variable format, which combines your three basic credentials: Cloud Name, API Key, and API Secret. Copy this format from the API Keys page and paste it into your .env file. Replace your API key and your API secret with your actual values, while the cloud name is already correctly included in the format. That's it. Your environment variable will be passed automatically when generating your instance using the cloudinary.new function. Now let's use the Cloudinary instance you just created in a basic way. We'll generate the delivery URL for an image in your product environment. First, create an image object using CLD, the Cloudinary instance, along with the image function. To do this, identify the image you want by passing its public ID. You can use the public ID of any image in your product environment, but for this example, we'll use the public ID of a sample image that comes with every new Cloudinary account, CLD sample. Save this object in a variable named img, and add error handling. Next, get the image delivery URL by converting the img object into a string. Let's handle errors and print the delivery URL on success. Now we're done writing our code. Let's run it and see the Cloudinary delivery URL for the CLD sample image printed out. This confirms that we've successfully created our Cloudinary instance and used it effectively. You can view the image in a browser window to verify the image in your product environment. Next up, see how AI keeps the important part of a video in focus during cropping with smart video cropping and content-aware AI.